Creating a static library in Code Composer Studio. Go to File, New, Project, and here click CCS Project. Here select the target. For me it's a Simple-Link Wireless MCU, and this is the MCU that I'm using. Project name, let's name it mylib. Default location, okay, and here in the output type you might have executable. Select it to static library, and that's it. Finish. Here instead of main we'll write another function, say int test call, and here we just return a value, any random value, say return 34. Now save this, and if we build this build project, the build has finished, and we can see here in the debug folder there is this .lib file present. So thus we can add any number of files or any stat that we want and just build it, and this static library is created. Now in our project we need to use this library. So let's say in this project name device I want to use this library. So first I'll go to properties, and here go to CCS build, dependencies, and add that particular project as a dependency by clicking add and then select that project. So it does not show up here because it's already added, otherwise it will show up here. Then go to the linker and libraries. Here add the library, the name of the library file. So here we have mylib.lib, and that is added here. This is the library file that we want to use, and we also need to mention the path of this library file. It's in mylib/debug. So I've already added this, and it's this one. So this is reference project for location/debug. That is because in this device, in project dependencies, after we added mylib in the dependency, it comes here, and this is dependency number 4. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have reference project for location/debug. Inside debug folder was where our library file was present. And apply and close. And then we go to the main file where we want to use this function calls. So let's say I create here an integer called num, and I do a num equals to test call. Now when I build this, in this process it will first build that library files again, and then it will start building this particular project. So after everything is done, we get the build finish.